Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your payment method on the Airbnb app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and change your payment method on the Airbnb app. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to Airbnb, then click on Profile on the bottom right hand corner. Next, click on Account Settings, then click on Payments in the middle hand side, then click on Payment Methods. Next, click on Add Payment Method, and then this is where you're going to enter your credit or debit card or PayPal account. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and change your payment method on Airbnb. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.